Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to insert an HTML code in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to insert your HTML code in. From this Insert tab, click on Embed. A new window pops up. Make sure to click on Embed Code, and here you can insert your HTML code. This is a simple HTML code that I got from ChatGPT. I will paste it here and hit this next button. Now you will see a preview of your HTML code and click on Insert. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos. Also, enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel. Also, publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features, like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial and click on Insert. And this is the result of my HTML code. Don't forget to hit the Publish button to save your changes. And now let's view this page online. And this is my HTML code. This is how to add an HTML code in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.